challenge 2 of the Peli case tested to destruction. We're here at the Leamington School of Sail and Power, who have kindly offered to help us test this here Peli case. Water resistance, shall we say. We'll go into that a little bit later. We have been using various pieces of kit throughout the show, and today we're on the water. So we've got our GoPro Hero 2s in our waterproof housing, and this one we're going to clamp onto the handle of the Peli case, and we've put a little GoPro flotation device on the top, which if it does come off, then hopefully we will see whether or not it floats. We've also been loaned the EWA Marine VPX underwater housing. Now this is designed specifically for the HPX range of cameras, so the 250, the 171, and this we've been loaned to by Cameras Underwater. So if you're looking to get one, have a look at their website, and we'll be testing that out thoroughly throughout the job as well. In my hand I have the Rycote Softy over my Sennheiser mic. Obviously it's going to get windy out there, so hopefully this is going to keep the majority of the wind noise away from the mic. We'll see how that goes. So I'm going to go off to the marine and explain a little bit more about what we're going to do with this Peli case in this show. So this is challenge 2 of our tested to destruction for the Peli case. Now, we've all heard that Peli cases are water resistant, so I thought we'll give that a test today. Today in the Peli case we have my picnic. I have my sandwiches, I have my egg, I have a nice little salad here, and here's my my flask of tea, my mug, plate and spoons. And as it's a nice sunny, of course, English summer, I thought I'd go for a picnic over on the Isle of Wight. But of course, we like to do things different here at Broadcast Show. So I'm going on the boat, but the Peli case is going a slightly different route. Okay, go, go, go! Well, oh, hello. So, doing about 30 knots, I think, at the moment. Peli case out the back, having a good tow. Now we're motoring. The Peli case is all over the place. So we are now travelling at a fair old rate. It's doing good. Nothing like a little bit of water skiing on a summer's day. It's absolutely... Oh, we've lost it. Peli case has gone. My picnic! We're going to slow down and have a look. So far an interesting trip. The Peli case has, let's just say, given up its load. Let's go and have a look and see what happened to it. We've come into harbour now, so we've slowed down a bit. I'll just go over what's happened. Basically, we've had a failure on 2 of the locking mechanisms here. I think basically, as you heard, we went up in speed and we hit 40 knots basically. You saw the thing skipping about. The amount of pressure that would have been put on these would have been remarkable. I think what's happened is the front 2 have opened up through the sheer pressure of hitting the water, and that has put all the strain on these 2, which literally have just sheared off. I mean, the amount of force this thing must have been taking was amazing. Obviously the lid has flipped open, and that in turn, if I turn it around here, has damaged that hinge here. Under normal circumstances through the water, you know, 20 knots, 15, 20 knots, sort of river speed, going underwater, not a problem. Peli case held up perfectly. It was literally until we went absolutely ridiculous and started flying around at 40 knots that this thing started to disintegrate. The GoPro we had mounted on it, we mounted it with a bike clamp onto the handle. The clamp itself I thought I'd broken, but no, what's actually happened is just the bolt that holds it on has probably undone in the water by the water running around it. Obviously it's for bikes, not for going on GoPros through water. We put the little GoPro flotation device on the back, and that worked perfectly. The GoPro is still recording, and hopefully we get some good footage of that you'll see in this video. So all in all, that stood up pretty well. So what have we learned? Well, if you take a Peli case and drop it in the sea, not a problem. If you drop it in a river at sort of 15-20 knots, I don't think there's going to be any problem at all. If you tow a picnic behind a high-powered rib at 40 knots and let it skim about and do a little bit of water skiing, shall we say, I think we've just about hit the limit of this particular Peli case. So all in all, at the moment, I say it's 1-1. 1 to Peli case on this challenge for withstanding the normal water. 1 to Broadcast Show for really pushing it to its limit, and it really was destroyed in this particular test.